Okay, hello guys. So now I'm going to show you the hidden features of Microsoft Word that maybe many people doesn't know about this thing, and yeah, maybe it's not familiar to some people. Okay, so the first hidden feature is that you can change your default font. If you find that the first thing you do every time you open Word is change the font, well, I think that this tip can save you a lot of time and effort. Okay, for example, if your assignment requires all documents to be in Arial or Times New Roman, this can set Word up to use this font automatically. So, you just simply click on the pop-out arrow in the right-hand corner at your font setting in the ribbon. Then you just set the default font to whatever you prefer. Like you want Microsoft or Magneto or the things, and then you can change to your font style that you want and also the size. Then when you done choosing the size that you want, just click OK, and yep, it will be set to your preference. Okay, next is you can tell Word that what you want to do. Have you ever noticed the words next to a little light bulb at the top of Word, which is here? Well, if you click on the words tell me what you want to do, you can quickly search for an action or command without hunting it down in the menus. For example, you want to search for table. Then you can see that there's a table of contents, or you want to add table, or view, table grid lines, or table styles. Isn't that it's much easier for you, and it's like saving your time, right? Okay, next would be calculation in Word. Well, calculators and Excel aren't the only places you can do simple calculation. Well, Microsoft Word has a built-in calculate command. Okay, so to be able to use this command quickly, you should add it to your quick access toolbar. So you just go to File, then click Options, then you click Quick Access Toolbar, you choose All Commands, and then search for Calculate. Where is it? Okay, here, and then click Add and OK. Okay, so just put any number that you want. For example, yeah, it should be like that, and then highlight your numbers and click the round button up there, and you can see the result of the calculation there. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Just highlight the number, then click it on this round circle, and then you can see the result for the calculation there. Okay, the next one is write equations in Word. Okay, so I know that sometimes it's hard to write calculation, but this Words also provide this easy write-up. So, and if you think that the only Excel formulas are amazing, the equation editor has always been part of Microsoft Word. So, you can use the equation toolbar to design your own advanced equation for mathematics, physics, or chemistry, which Word gives you many well-known equations to insert with just a click. Okay, so you just go to Insert, and then click Equation. So these are some of the equations that you can choose. Or if you want to make yours, just insert your equation and just click equation and type the new one. Like if you want fraction, you can add the fraction here, like 3/4. You want to use any symbols like pi minus, can use this one, 5 to the power of 9 equal to what? Okay, this is some of the example. So that's all from me. Thank you.